Yeah, I was in South Korea doing my trauma fellowship there. So, yeah, I mean,
that is what it is. You should always try to learn. This is something that's very, very important.
yeah.
Alright, that's what. ताली बजाओ, आपको सीखने के लिए, he's got 2 kids, a family, and वो छोड़ के वो कोरिया में था 2 महीने से सीखने के लिए. This is what you should be dedicated to. बहुत ज़रूरी है कि आप इसको continue करते रहें. Right? If you don't do that, it's going to be tough for you to, keep abreast with the way the world is progressing. All right. The only way to be there is to keep abreasting yourself, and there's no other way. Yes, Faheem. बाकी चीजें नहीं, बस आगे तो तुम्हें बोलना होगा.
Alright, I mean, this is a snippet out of my fellowship, so I thought life is going good. I'm a surgeon, I'm a teacher, whatever, and I do pretty well, is what I thought in my surgical field. But then, when I went for the fellowship, and I realized that these are the things I do not do. These are the things I can do better. And that realization of the mistake is what will help you get better at it. If you never realize your mistake, you'll never be able to correct it. So realize your mistakes first. And these mistakes should be done now when you are a PG, because you're not liable to harm anybody right now. But if you take this 10 years down the line, if you're at my stage and you're directly interacting with the patient and harming, that entire harm directly is transferred onto the patient. So this is your opportunity. Do mistakes yourself. दूसरों के मिस्टेक से सीखना बेहतर है, पर जब खुद करोगे ना तब that entire thing comes on you. So do the mistakes yourself, get corrected yourself, and that will stay longer with you than learning from others' mistakes.